So today I'm at a five-star hotel. The name of the hotel is Grand River View. So this is a very good looking food. So the name of this food is chicken Hyderabad biryani, and looks so delicious. And this eggs and also a lemon and some you can see carrot, cucumber, and a chili. So they have their own tissue paper. They also have their own glass of water. Like it's very good, and they have also given us serve a very good way. This hotel looks so awesome, and they have also method like this, and they have also hotline number. And this food is also very good, and I think so. This food is looking so good from my side, and I like this food so much. And this is all about this video. I think you like this video, so thanks for watching my video. So goodbye.